So in this session, we're going to do an anti-aging facelift massage. This can be a great way to start your morning and also a way to relax and unwind from the day. The techniques in this massage will improve circulation and blood flow to your face, remove puffiness, which will then give you a nice slimmer face. Plus, it's also great for collagen production. Before we get started, make sure to have clean hands and a clean face. You'll also want to use some kind of face oil or face serum, and I'll be using rosehip oil. Use whatever you think is best for your skin, and that's going to give you a nice glide along your skin as we work the face. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to apply a few drops of face oil. So I'm going to use about 2 pumps. And just apply over your face. And then work your way down towards your neck and over your decolletage area, making sure that you have all areas covered. So let's start with our decolletage. Make a fist with both hands and use your knuckles to massage in a circular motion with medium pressure and massage outwards. We tend to neglect this area and we see signs of aging, especially if you're in the sun a lot and don't wear sunscreen. So I highly encourage you to remember to put sunscreen here and around your neck as well as your face. This gentle massage can reduce and soften lines along with prevention of lines by releasing the connective tissue, stimulating the lymphatic system, and boosting circulation. So moving on to the neck, apply your knuckles on both sides of your neck in circular motion with a light to medium pressure, moving around the neck. Tilt your head back a bit if that's comfortable. We're just loosening up. And just give me 5 more seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So now starting on one side of the neck, we're going to just stroke upward with gentle pressure using both hands like this. And give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's do the other side. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now gently massage upward from the middle of the neck, alternating your hands with light to medium pressure. Go ahead and tilt your head back a bit to give your neck a stretch too. This gentle technique will help the elasticity and lift the muscle. And give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Now moving on to the chin. Take your thumbs and stroke under the chin like this with light to medium pressure. Tilt your head back slightly. So this is great for softening the chin. Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply. And give me 5 more seconds for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So now moving on to the jawline, take your thumbs and place underneath your chin in the middle. And now glide your thumbs along the jawline and lift off at the ears. Continue at a slow pace with medium pressure. So this is great for lifting and sculpting the jawline and also boosting circulation and relieving any tension. And give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So now moving on to the front of the chin and mouth, take your index and middle fingers and starting at the front of the chin, massage in a circular motion with medium pressure. And then move along at the sides of the mouth and work your way up towards the upper lip, meeting in the middle. And now reverse, going back around. So this is great for softening the lines around the mouth and chin. And give me 5 more seconds for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now continuing in the circular motion, work along the jawline towards your ears with medium pressure. And now let's spend a little time here at the chewing muscles like this. So we tend to hold a lot of tension here and our forehead, so it's really good to just allow the muscles to relax and release the tension. Go ahead and reverse. And all of these motions which release tension and relax the muscles will also allow for the blood to flow easier and bring more blood flow to the face, meaning more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the cells along with collagen production, which is great for anti-aging. And give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, moving on. With your knuckles, go ahead and glide and lift your cheeks, jowls, and nasolabial folds up to the cheekbone with medium to firm pressure and just hold for a second and repeat. Continue to glide upward. Make sure your jaw is nice and relaxed and give me 5 more. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to continue, but we're going to add a second move. So go ahead and continue to lift up the cheek and now glide towards your ears and give me 5 more for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now take the palm of your hands and starting on one side of your face, glide up the side of your face with one hand, and then with the other hand, glide diagonally towards your ears, alternating hands with light to medium pressure. Focus on lifting your lower face and cheeks, relax your shoulders, and just breathe deeply. And go ahead and give me 5 more for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's move to the other side. So with one hand, go ahead and glide up on the side of your face. And then with the other hand, glide diagonally up towards your ears, alternating hands with light to medium pressure. And go ahead and give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so now we're going to move on. So place your thumbs underneath the jawline towards your ears, and with your middle fingers starting on the sides of your chin, glide along the side of your mouth up the nasolabial fold, also known as the laugh line, along the side of the nose, around the eyebrows, and come back down and repeat. You want to do this with medium to firm pressure, so that's why we're using the middle finger, because it tends to be less heavy-handed, unlike our index finger. Okay, and just give me 5 more. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now continue in this motion, but this time we're going to go under the eyebrows with firm pressure. And then as you come back around, just go really gently under the eyes. Try not to drag the skin. It's very delicate here, so you want to lighten up with your pressure. And go ahead and give me 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now we're going to move on to the forehead. So go ahead and take your index and middle fingers with light to medium pressure and just zigzag in this direction. So this is great to boost circulation and stimulate cell renewal for fine lines and wrinkles. We're releasing fascia. And just give me 5 more for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So now with your knuckles, just sweep across your forehead with medium pressure and lift off at the temples. Relax your shoulders and give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So now take your fingers, starting from the eyebrows, and glide up with firm pressure, lifting off at the hairline. Focus all your intention on this area as you lift the eyebrows and forehead, and continue to go at your own pace. So as we get older, everything starts to shift down by gravity. So to counteract that, all these massage techniques are to lift the muscles, and not to mention this is super, super relaxing and calming for your face and body. And you should have a nice rosy glow by now. So as we come to the end, let's finish with some quick light taps. So just starting at the forehead and work your way down the face, around the eyes, and along the cheeks and the lower face, and moving down your neck, and your décolletage area. So, a face massage is a great way to preserve the youthfulness and the health of our skin. This massage provides long lasting effects of lifted skin and improves the skin condition. And have a wonderful day.